Kuala Lumpur, the capital of Malaysia, has undergone a remarkable transformation in recent decades. Characterized by towering skyscrapers, this transformation has elevated the country's urban landscape to new heights. These towering structures have not only become a symbol of Malaysia's rapid development, but have also brought about economic, social, and architectural changes in the country. Kuala Lumpur is also one of the fastest-growing cities in Southeast Asia. Kuala Lumpur has evolved from a small mining town with tents in the 1800s to a vibrant hub of culture and commerce. Among the city's iconic landmarks, the Petronas Twin Towers, completed in 1998, stand out as the crown jewels of Kuala Lumpur's skyscrapers. These towers were once the tallest buildings in the world, but eventually lost that title to other megastructures worldwide. In addition to the Petronas Twin Towers, Kuala Lumpur boasts another significant landmark known as the KL Tower or Kuala Lumpur Tower. This towering structure, also known as Menara KL, is one of the tallest telecommunications towers in the world. It offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city and its surroundings from its observation decks. The KL Tower is not just a telecommunications hub, but also a popular tourist attraction, adding to the city's appeal. Now, Kuala Lumpur is evolving again, as there is a new tower on the block that will put Malaysia back on the record holders list. Construction is nearly complete on what will be the second tallest building in the world, and possibly the world's last mega-tall skyscraper. Malaysia's Merdeka 118 is one such architectural marvel. It isn't just an ordinary building, it stands as a testament to Malaysia's ambition, rising above challenges and standing tall, almost shoulder to shoulder with the world's tallest structures. It has 118 stories with a height of 678.9 meters, making it the second tallest structure in the world, just a bit shorter than Dubai's iconic Burj Khalifa, which is 828 meters tall. The name Merdeka and its architectural design hold immense significance in Malaysian history, serving as a reminder of Tunku Abdul Rahman's iconic outstretched hand gesture. While fervently chanting Merdeka during the proclamation of Malaysia's independence on August 31, 1957, at Stadium Merdeka, the tower's design mirrors the silhouette of Tunku Abdul Rahman raising his hand and exclaiming, "Merdeka!"
Merdeka! 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 Merdeka!
Merdeka 118 is being built on a site in the vicinity of the Merdeka Stadium in Jalan Hang Jebat, Kuala Lumpur. The Merdeka Stadium holds significant historical importance in Kuala Lumpur, as it is where the formal Declaration of Independence for the Federation of Malaya took place. Furthermore, it served as the primary venue in Kuala Lumpur for various celebrations. Merdeka 118 will be 192 meters taller than the current Kuala Lumpur title holder, the Petronas Twin Towers, which were the tallest buildings in the world from 1998 to 2004. The tower is expected to cost about $1.5 billion, and construction is around 95% complete as of today, with its opening scheduled for 2024. This development is one of the largest projects ever undertaken in Malaysia, even though there is little need for buildings of such extreme height. The tower was originally known as Warasan Merdeka Tower KL 118 and PNB 118. The word Merdeka is a term in Bahasa Malaysia that means free and independent. The development on Merdeka 118 began in 2016 on a site that looks over Stadium Merdeka in a well-preserved historical neighborhood. This made the preservation of the neighborhood's integrity during construction an important issue. To minimize settlement and lateral movement, a circular-shaped cofferdam wall was designed as an embedded retaining system for excavation, eliminating the need for additional support structures such as struts or ground anchors. With the last of 18,000 glass panels installed in November 2022, Merdeka 118's crystalline facade shined like a diamond. The building is not just another super-tall skyscraper, it is a triple platinum LEED green real estate and a green building index-rated green building. These ratings mean that corporations can reduce their scope to emissions, which are the indirect emissions from the generation of energy that has been purchased from a utility provider. It is simply a very sophisticated superstructure building with 118 floors, including 5 underground basements. It consists of 83 floors of office space, 17 floors of a luxury hotel managed by the Hyatt Group, a mall, an observation deck, and a spire. As of January 2023, it overtook the Shanghai Tower, which was created by Gensler in China, as the second tallest skyscraper in the world. The building interior was also designed to spell luxury, with a unique layout for accommodating predetermined uses. It is also designed as a new tourist attraction. Its main features include 288,000 square meters of floor space, 158,000 square meters of top-grade office spaces, distributed over 83 floors from level 8 to level 96, 14 floors solely dedicated to the Hyatt Hotel, which will be the first in Malaysia. The hotel includes 252 hotel guest rooms from levels 98 to 112, where their Mark Hall restaurant will be located. The hotel will open in September 2023. A 7-story mall called the 118 Mall will open in 2024. 6 levels of underground parking with a capacity of 8,100 parking spaces, an observation deck dubbed The View at 118, which is a mezzanine floor within levels 115 and 116, and of course, it will be the highest observation deck in Southeast Asia. It's reachable through a dedicated elevator that takes a little over a minute to reach the 115th floor. It will offer an unrivaled 360-degree view of Kuala Lumpur's urban landscape. It boasts 87 top-notch, fast, and comfortable elevators, a 40-story spire illuminated by 865 LED lights and equipped with a staircase for the brave at heart, a 100% rainwater harvesting system to water the outdoor greenery within the environs, a direct connection to a new and dedicated metro station, and access to 2 monorail stations at Maharaja Leela and Hong Tua. All of this leads us to the most important question. How did they do it? And what are the engineering marvels utilized to make such an amazing structure possible and able to withstand powerful typhoons and earthquakes? Needless to say, such a massive and majestic tall structure required special high-performance concrete, HPC, and structural stiffness, in addition to innovative engineering solutions to ensure its structural integrity and stability. These special needs led to intensive collaboration between a group and Samsung C&T Engineering and Construction Group to develop a unique high-performance concrete for the tower core and mega column elements. This concrete has record-breaking pumpability that enhanced the tower's constructability and saved thousands of tons of structural steel, reducing both the environmental impact and cost. The tower's structural stiffness was achieved through the use of bow grid reinforcement technologies in the most congested column sections of the core wall at the lower levels of the structure. The structure features 3 sets of 3-story deep outrigger structures, maximizing usable premium space while providing high resistance to wind loads. The columns and core wall's size was minimized to maximize usable premium space. The tower's structural system comprises 8 megacolumns, central core walls, intermediate columns, 3 sets of single-story belt trusses, 3 sets of triple-story belt trusses, and 3 sets of triple-story outriggers. The slender spiral, which rises 160 meters above the main structure, was designed with flexibility in mind, as it is subjected to constant vibration due to wind load. To minimize the vibration, the builder adapted 3D space truss framing, and its wind flow distribution has been ascertained by state-of-the-art aeroelastic wind tunnel testing. The external steel frame system, the outrigger, and the belts truss of this impressive mega high-rise are built with steel and include 6,000 tons of heavy structural sections weighing up to 1202 kilograms per cubic meter, from which are 4,000 tons of very high-quality high-star 460 and S460M steel. This resulted in weight savings of 20% for the steel structure, which could not have been accomplished if regular steel grades had been used. This leads us to the final question. Will Merdeka 118, the second tallest tower in the world, be fully occupied by the end of 2024? According to KGV International Property Consultants, among many other renowned property firms, Merdeka 118 is an iconic building that is government-owned, and the relevant parties will make sure it is fully occupied. Thank you for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon.